It's party prep time. I got these cute invitations off of Amazon. I will have them in my Amazon storefront, so check the links below. Okay, so currently my daughter is having a sword fight with the sticks I got from Dollar Tree to use as little stands for balloon columns for the party on Saturday. But I just want to show y'all like what I got so far. And yeah, so I got this for the little treat boxes, candy box, party box. And then I got like little Mario snack candies and stuff like that to go in it. I got a pinata. I got these gold coins on sale, 50% off, period. And then, I'll be right back, hold on. I got these little trays from Dollar Tree. I have the little canvases that I made. I got Princess Peach for the girls, Super Mario for the boys. And I also got aprons to go with this. I got these cute little Yoshi eggs, these little paint palettes, and I got some brushes from Dollar Tree. Hold on. We got this little party kit, party pack from Amazon. And I will list these. I'll put these in the storefront, like the stuff that I got from Amazon, I'll get from a storefront. Well, my mom purchased that, and she purchased like a balloon arch. Hold on. This is too cute. It got foil balloons in it and balloon glue. Okay, period. The balloon colors, which I'm excited about. And then I got these little top things. I think they go into mason jar tops, the lids. So we're gonna just glue two of these together to make like gold coins. We're gonna go ahead and get started on the treat boxes. Okay, we got these boxes off of Amazon. Super cute. I think it is 12. So hopefully 12 children show up. Hopefully no more than 12 show up, because this is all we got, sister girl. And I'm kind of like at that point in my life where I'm tired of paying for all this stuff for a lot of people and then a little people show up. So this time I decided I'm only going to pay for the people that I know always come to the stuff, quite honestly. And see how that turns out. So this is the cute little box. I'm gonna put some tape on the bottom because I probably bent it up or did it wrong. This is one side. This is the other side. Too freaking cute. So let's get to the rest. Say hi!
Y'all cry, and y'all don't cry, and then what y'all doing?
Okay,
And then y'all cry, y'all get the million why?
Alright then, so we finna fill up our goodie bags.
Yeah.
Yes, lit. Yeah.
It's missing me all.
What is this?
Y'all need to feel the...
Oh my
God! It's literally on that. Watch this.
Are these the corn that got the chocolate in it?
Yup. Yup.
I go word that first, and then Trey go word. Everybody go word.
This is a set, right?
Like the nothing.
Do you really got to get some?
You think you can DIY everything yourself? Let's go. Happy birthday to... Thank you for watching. See you next video. Peace out.